Watpana Maram Oiraga Meeoi amatta Sihangumsi haiba Paojel Puduna India ki state kayada Khongna kilometre lishing Chatkadaba simply blood ke founder Kiran Verma Manipur thunglakhre meepum khudingmak na pibagi heinabi thamsi haina Kiran Verma meeyam pukning chingshillakli Khongchat English ngani sumna kunmathoi ki December 19 da Kerala dagi haurakhiba campaign asi ngasi chahi ani fazilaktuna hauzik fawbada puna kilometre lishing taraga tarit ka chanipan khongna chaluraba matung imphal da yorakhibani mahangna imphal da yoraklaba matung major khulda leiba Manipur Press Club ta pangtokpa pawgi mifam amada mahangna hai India da chahi khudinge meeyoi lakaya Watpana Maram Oiraga sibagi report lei India gi apunba mising gi manungda meeyoi lak taraga manga khaktang na pirabadi India pumbagi oina watpagi khudong chadaba leiriba ase kokhanba ngamgani Lamdam asigi meeyam nasu pibagi kanaba kaya ado khangdok minaduna chingnaba leitana piminase Manipur gi oinasu apunba district taraga taruk asigi manungda blood bank manga khaktang leituna district taraga nithoida blood bank leitabagi awatpa payonare blood bank gi awatpa ase kokhanaba lenga ki mari leinaba singnasu mideng changbiduna matik chaba infrastructure semgatpiu hainasu mahangna makata khe
Till now, I have covered 17,800 kilometers till Imphal, and the whole purpose behind it that every day more than 12,000 people die waiting for blood. My motto is that nobody should die waiting for blood because India needs only 5 million blood donors to fulfill all blood-related needs. It is important for us to realize that blood is a very common commodity and we are the only problem and we are the solution. It cannot be manufactured in any company or any factory. So that is the reason I go and walk and talk with people to make sure that every part of India should get enough blood donor.